Welcome back, guys. This is the unboxing of the Phanteks case. A couple guys wanted to see it, so I guess let's just get right into it. I've seen this case a lot and a lot of looking. I actually got this out of the first batch of Phanteks cases coming into the United States for consumers, because like I said in the previous video that, sorry headphone users, that I paid for this stuff. I didn't get any kind of sponsoring. I didn't want it. This is actually a bill for me. So I've seen this already. Great little kit here. Everything's in. Trays for the hard drives, the screws, all that. Jay's 2 cents actually did a really good unboxing of this. Let's see, he pulled these things here out just in case they get caught. He used a knife. I get to cheat. So we're just gonna go with it like it is. He took and I don't know that he's doing a build in it yet, but I do know that Bitwit did a really nice build in it. Really great looking case, and I think Bitwit actually got the same one I did, the gray one. So let's check it out. We'll go from there. Which way's top? Who knows? Let's lay it down. Everybody, I guess, is kind of clicking on my video because I've got the i9 10980XE listed in the listing. Guys, I'm not doing it to be clickbaity. I guess some people look at it as I am. If you think that, I'm sorry. This is and will be, or will be and is, whichever way that would go, a 10980XE. This is the sole purpose of building this rig. I've always wanted the 18-core 36 processor. Just the $2,000 price range. It was just, I don't want to spend that much on a single processor. I don't want to spend that much, I mean, especially for gaming and watching videos. It's not worth that much money. I like it. Lots of statics, so be careful. That's a really nice case. I do know that there's RGB down this side. There's also inside here, that little rim right there going around the power supply shield, there's RGB on it as well. I can turn it off, but yeah. Ooh, lots of air. Oh yeah. Them 360 radiators are gonna look good. How's that open? Okay, now I'm curious. I don't know how to open the doors. Wow. That's what the manual's for, right? It's really nice. Anyway, I know I'm paused there for a minute. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean for it to be clickbaity. This will be that build. I have considered putting a mini ITX in here as well, doing the 2-system build for streaming. I don't know. I just haven't made my mind yet. EVGA does not make a mini ITX board, and I do like EVGA. I'm a little disappointed in them. Speaking of, I want to rant on that just a little bit. I ordered, like I said, I'm going with the, I didn't expect to do this in this video, but it came up. I ordered the X299 Dark. I had 2 of the X299 for the wins. I sold one of them because I wanted to do the dark in this one. Ordered this dark from Amazon. What I did not realize at the time of ordering this from Amazon is EVGA had a $100 mail-in rebate and $30 instantly off. Okay, well, with the instant off, the card was higher than Amazon. So I ordered it from Amazon. Went to do the $100 rebate, mail-in rebate. EVGA doesn't allow that. They only do it through their store and one other, and I don't remember the other one. And I was like, you know, that's kind of misleading in a way, but it also, I can understand their point too. I really thought about selling this board and going a different route, because I have sitting on the floor there an X58. My office I have an X99. Over there I have an X299. I have several of these platforms, and every one of them are EVGA. All my power supplies, EVGA. It really irked me that they would do that, but that's their choice as a manufacturer. They can do what they want. And I say that because I'm a manufacturer as well of signs, so yeah, I can understand some things they do and not understand others. So this will be the board for the main system. This is what the 10980XE will be sitting on, unless something amazing comes out that outdoes this. I don't see it. I do have Trident Z memory for this RGB memory, but it's going to match the build, the colors, and I can leave the RGB off if I want to. I'm assuming it will be capable of RGB, but hey, anyway, I'm doing it for overclocking, because why build an X299 system with that processor, not overclock it? So guys, yeah, I will do an unboxing of this. I will do an unboxing of the monitor, and more than likely I may even do that boxing sooner than later. I may do it today as well. So hey, I may even be in the same orange, bright orange, ugly shirt. So guys, I appreciate y'all looking at these videos and watching them. If you have any questions, ask in the comments, man. I'll answer. I don't have that many followers, so if it's something I can answer, if not, I'll point you in the direction somebody can. I know this is kind of like a rambling on, and but hey, it is what it is. Something I noted about the case just now. Most of these cases have a little, you push the door and it'll pop up. This one you have to push it back, and it's kind of stubborn. I don't understand that. But hey, that's metal. Oh, that centerpiece is metal. I did not know that. That is nice. Now the edges are plastic, but that center cap down the center is metal. That's nice. I really got to figure out how to open the door. What am I missing? Oh, there's a thumb screw in the front. Hey, I did not know that. Read the instructions on the side. But yes, this is, where do I pull? I don't know. We'll pull it apart in the next video, because I don't even know where to start. This one's got two thumb screws on the sides, but this is a hinge door. And they may just put that screw in there for shipping. Remove the screw and then you can leave it off. We'll check that out before we go to build this thing. I really don't want to pull it all apart. I'm going to put all the pieces back to the side, leave it sitting here. I just wanted to get it out and look at it myself. I like it. I like it a lot. So I guess I'll see you in the next one, guys. I'll do an unboxing of the monitor. This will be the board going in here, and I'll start pulling all them pieces in and doing little short videos. So hopefully you guys follow along. If you don't like the video, I understand. If you do and you want to see what the hell I'm going to screw up along the way, hey, come on for the ride. But I'll see you guys in the next one. This is going to be fun. Y'all have a good day.